Lawsuit filed against Governor Polis over the magazine limit law is another line drawn in the sand against what gun rights advocates are calling a violation against the right to keep and bear arms.
But gun reform advocates are firing back, saying guns shouldn't have more protection than people. Here's the latest. A pro-guns right group has filed a lawsuit with the goal to strike down the town of Superior's ban on assault weapons and imposing a 10-day waiting limit for all guns. And they filed another lawsuit, Rocky Mountain gun owners versus Governor Jared S. Polis.
If this goes our way, we could have the magazine ban statewide lifted.
The law banning magazines holding more than 15 rounds of ammunition was passed in July 2013 and sponsored by Democrat State Senator Rhonda Fields in direct response to what some have called the nation's most notorious mass shootings, the Columbine High School shooting in '99 and the Aurora movie theater shooting in 2012.
We had a shooter go into the theater with a high-capacity magazine that was able to hold over 100 bullets in that chamber. His goal was one thing, was to kill as many people as he could in a shorter matter of time.
Almost a decade later, the mag limit law is being challenged by the gun owners group who feel their chances are good by pointing to another case across the country. New York State Rifle and Pistol Association versus Bruin.
Essentially, the Bruin decision gave us a 4-ton wrecking ball that we're ready to come through, and any Tom, Dick, and Harry that thinks that they can supersede the Constitution, they can get in line because they're next.
The challenge to overturn the high mag prohibition is aimed at the very definition of large capacity magazine, saying the ban uses politically charged rhetoric and magazines holding more than 15 rounds are the standard. Colorado Ceasefire, a grassroots gun violence prevention organization formed more than 2 decades ago, works closely with legislators to pass laws to save lives taken from mass shooters.
I see that the violence that we're experiencing across the nation is a crisis.
The organization fires back with a statement in response to the gun rights suit, saying the magazines don't serve a purpose for home defense, self-protection, or hunting. They enable mass shooters to kill a large number of people in rapid fashion and don't believe the means should be in civilian hands. President Eileen McCarron states, "We regret that the Rocky Mountain gun owners is more interested in keeping lethal firearms and accessories readily available than they are in saving people's lives." The case against Governor Polis was submitted on July 28, 2022. Now, the Polis administration will not comment on pending litigation, and after 2 weeks of attempts, Rocky Mountain Gun Owners Group has declined to comment. Now, in other news,